Our 6-week functional transformation is designed to teach you the foundations of functional fitness so that you can live the best years of your life in the best shape of your life. You might be thinking, but wait, isn't functional fitness too intense for me? Don't people get injured? But it's not. Our program is for everyone, no matter their age, experience, or how often they work out. We make it a priority to tailor every workout to the individual's fitness level so that everyone gets the workout they want and the workout they need. We literally have beginners and advanced athletes in the same class, all working on a similar task but at different intensities. Our classes are led by dedicated coaches who are there to make sure you're moving correctly, having fun, and most of all, getting the results you came for. We don't stop there. We take the time to assess your current situation, design a plan specifically for you, prescribe your nutrition targets, answer any questions, and then help you stay accountable to implementing your action plan so that you can achieve your goals. We have fostered an environment that motivates you to achieve the physique, fitness, and flexibility you've always wanted, whilst enabling you to reach your peak physical performance and become the best version of yourself. So how does this work? You come in, share some laughs, make some good friends, do the work, and get to where you need to be. We provide you with the tools, the coaching, the resources, and the accountability to make sure you stay the course. So if you're ready to take action, grab your spot right now and let's get to work.